I met you in the sun, saw my plans come undone, 'cause I knew you were the one. So we, from Paris on one knee, with a letter and a ring, got married in the spring. And the day I met you, I think I met myself. I don't ever wanna be with anyone else. We got the kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. But darling, all I wanna do is be with you. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. But darling, all I wanna do is be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, be with you tonight. I'll never fully know how deep your heart can go, or the beauty of your soul. Oh, where were you all along? Every other one was wrong, and I found where I belong. Oh, the day I met you, I think I met myself. I don't ever wanna be with anyone else. We got the kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. But darling, all I wanna do is be with you. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. But darling, all I wanna do is be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, be with you tonight.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish.
Tunay nga po na may itinadhana ang Diyos. At ito po sa kasal ni Stephen at Jubilin, mapakita sila ang tinadhana ng Diyos. Ano yung tadhana? Sila ay pinag-isa ng Panginoon. Kaya sila magsasama habang buhay. Kaya nga sabi ni Jesus, kaya hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao. Nga, no? Kung Diyos ang nagbuklod sa inyo, Diyos din ang tutulong sa inyo. Huh? Stephen, Jubilin? Kaya mawala sa inyo ang pananampalataya. Sabihan nga, the family that prays together stays together. Diyos pabigay sa inyo kalakasan, no? Sa inyong mga kakulangan, Diyos ang magpupuno ng grasya niya na kapag inyong hiningi sa panalangin at sa inyong pagdalo sa banal na Eucharistia ay magkaisa kay Kristo sa pagmamahalan at pagkakasundo ay tiyak. No? Palampasan ninyo ba ng mga hirap at pagsubok ninyo sa inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa. Kaya dalangin po natin mga kapatid, nawa ay kalooban ng Panginoon ng grasya, si Stephen at Jubilin, nawa sila laging magkaisa, magmahalan, at nawa ay patatagin ang kanilang pananampalataya at patibayin ng sakramento na ito ng kanilang pagmamahalan ay kanilang mapanindigan bawat sandali ng kanilang buhay hanggang makamit nila kaligtasan, buhay na walang hanggan. Jubilin, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Stephen na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Stephen, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jubilin na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Kayo ba ay handang arugain at palakihin ang mga anak na ibibigay sa inyo ng Diyos bilang mabubuting Kristiyano?
Opo, Father. Opo, Father.
Jubilin, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Stephen na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa Kanya ng iyong sarili bilang Kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Stephen, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Jubilin na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa Kanya ng iyong sarili bilang Kanyang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Hanging over the water at Fort Lauderdale Beach, Corona Lime and Tortuga lights and a lawn chair seats, bandana in your hair and your hand in the pocket of my worn out jeans. That summer night did something right. It's still hard to believe. Another year down and baby somehow our song never gets old. The honeymoon phase and butterflies fade, but I'll never let you go. We were just kids, stealing a kiss, and it feels like forever ago. But I love you more than yesterday. Still got forever to go. Forever to go. Still got forever to go. Forever to go. Still got forever to go. Another sunrise, another slow kiss, another memory, you and me, I won't forget. Another year down, and baby, somehow our song never gets old. The honeymoon phase and butterflies fade, but I'll never let you go. We were just kids, stealing a kiss, it feels like forever ago. But I love you more than yesterday, still got forever to go. Yeah, I love you more than yesterday, still got forever to go.
Simpleng bati natin ang happy birthday sa messenger, ang layo na narating natin. Sharp, touch po, kunyari, matouch ka din. Kasi may video.
Shock.
Thank you for all the love, patience, and understanding. You make me believe na may forever sa LDR. Char, di ba? I promise to love you, laugh with you, fight with you, grow with you, and be your partner in all life's adventure and challenges. Maningkamot na mas maminaw pa nimo and learn with you. Happy kunyari ka. I promise to share with you my hopes and dreams as we build our life together. To build a beautiful life together with God's help and guidance. Through all of the uncertainties sa life, I promise to be faithful to you. Yun lang.
Hinaot nga ang gugma nga atong giambitan, mudaghan matag tuig. The up and down, twist and turn of life, maghimo sa atong bugkos nga mas lig-on nga dili mabugto. Kayang barko sa kaminyoon, dili kanunay nga hapsay nga paglawig. Apan hinumdumi kanunay nga kitang duha makaagi sa bisang unsang bagyo, kita magkupot sa atong mga kamot sa usag-usa. Ang relasyon ay pag-aasawa ay kailangan ng maraming pag-unawa at pasensya. I know we both very competent to make this relation successful. To a journey of married life run smooth and love, trust, understanding, and loyalty with the grace of God. I love you.
It's been 3 years and 6 whole months since I saw your face that night. It took 5 seconds to fall in love and 2 more to make you mine. Now it's 4 in the morning, sun setting, 7 minutes with you and it's heaven. Ain't an hour that rolls by. I love you 24.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the path. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you. Cause you're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. You're is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Babe, it's your love that always gets me back on top. I've been trying to think of all your negatives, but I can't think of one. Then I'll go online and buy your benefits, and they stretch around the sun. Cause I hear music when you're next to me. There's a sweetness in the air I breathe when you put me at ease. Every time you're touching me, it's your love that always gets me back on top. And it's your love that always makes me feel enough. And I knew on the day I met you that you would save my life. It's your love that always gets me back on top.
One step closer to you, it's one less moment feeling blue. One step.
And right after cutting the cake, they will be handing it over to the small plate. And sabay po nilang kukunin ang plate at pupunta po ulit sila at the center of the stage.
Takot-takot na sila. Eh, karoon ng mga panahon na sila kabataan. Gamay-gamay ka, lipstick na lang. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. The very first sharing of food of our couple.
Sobrang pasasalamat. Anyway, message ko po sa kapatid ko at saka kay Stephen. Sabi nga, yung pag-aasawa hindi talaga ganun kadali. Napakahirap. Hindi puro happiness yung mararamdaman natin buong pagsasama. Merong mga sadness, problema, pero sabi nga, lampasan nyo lang yun. Ang problema nila lampasan, hindi tayo nag-i-stay doon. So sana, sa buhay mag-asawa nyong dalawa, mag-intindihan lang kayo palagi. Yun lang talaga ang sikreto nun. Mahabang pag-uunawaan sa isa't isa. Tapos lagi nyong tandaan kung paano kayo nagmahalan. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Bitaw, naifte, congrats sa inyo lang. Nakakalis mo yung statement na dako yung pasalamatan ni kay. Di promise mo dito kung mahilap eh. Ay, sa pag-school na ako college, si Manoy nagasto na ako tanan. Sa, si Manoy sa nandang kung na ako dili. Tungod niya, ako mag-eskwela. Na mama, papa. Wala mo kung maibigay mo ng magandang advice kasi ulitaw pa ko. Walay uyab, single.
Uy,
Maglising kita gatag advice sa buhay mo kasawa. Pero hayop lang na kung gano'n yung kasaya ngayon at kamahalang istisa, manatili sa maabot na panahon. Kaya nabasa na ko ito na ang marriage is not all about love, happiness, but it's all about respect, sacrifices, pagsabot sa usa. Maraming daghang salamat.
And it's your love that always makes me feel enough. And I knew on the day I met you that you would save my life. It's your love.
So, salamat ko sa tanan Andre yung dambo nga successive nga itong dihimo nga wedding para nila. So akong ikasulti sa akong anak. Siya may ang brother him. Kini atuman tanan no. So okay na siya nga ko lang ikasulti niya pin dahil jud kini kami ngayon kini lang taas mo siya. Kay
wa ko lang ka sulti sa mga mag-asawa. Mag inunungay gid bisag unsay. Nangatan mag tinabangay ko dog mag-unawaay. Sa Tagalog ba sa Bisaya ba magsabot-sabot ba? Kaya hindi na magkasabot-sabot ka mag-asawa, magayayo. Mahalala ko ika puno sa istorya kay dagha kay naghuwat.
Marang nag-reason na, taman ka, sir. Touch lang. Okay,
reason bakit po pinakasalan ng taong ito. So, hindi kasi sa lahat ng pagkakataon mahal ninyo ang isa't isa. Diba, mga couples. So, may mga pagkakataon, pag may mga struggle sa buhay, ay nalilingat tayo, parang minsan nagda-doubt, pero at the end of the day, lagi nating balikan yung reason bakit natin pinakasalan ang taong kasama natin sa pagtulog, sa pagising. So, at lagi pa rin nating alalahanin na, lalo na kung may mga anak na tayo, so, talagang nandoon tayo na we have to keep our family intact. So, and always, syempre, pray together, go to church together, kasi isa yan sa mga reason na magiging matatag tayo bilang mag-asawa. So once again, good evening everyone.
Yes! Nasabi ko na eh. Isang giling pa ulit. Yeah! Isa pa ulit. Hiya! Yeah! Isa pa ulit. Giling ulit. Isang malupit. Okay. Sabay luluhod. Luluhod ka na po sa harapan. And sabay kukunin na po ang garter sa legs ni Joms. Nag-uusap pa sila, oh. Ayan, dadahan lang, ha? Uy, parang may pagtigan, o gano'n. Sabi niya, saan mo nilagay na sa singit? Kailangan ba ng goggles? I'm never gonna dance again. Nakita na? Nakuha na, sir? Tanaw ko, sir. Yan. O, palakpakan natin. Patugtog ulit tayo ng charap-charap para mapanood ulit nila. Ready, go! Sige, ho. Okay. Okay, second music. Second music. Second music. Sige, itaktak mo. Sige. Uy, galing, grabe. Itaktak mo. Okay, stop. Third.
Come on with you, I could light up the entire room. 'Cause I'm in sunshine when you're next to me. And all the birds sing in harmony. You put me at ease every time you're touching me.
It's your love that always gets me back on top. And it's your love that always makes me feel enough. like a rocket into outer space. I go from lower into uppercase. And if you're standing at the finish line, then I will always come in first place. And I swear I'm walking on air.
Diri sa Palawan, Ninang og Ninong, thank you kayo sa inyong tanan. Kay nagahin gimo og oras ug panahon nga mo ari diri. So daghan kay salamat. So napay pakapon eh. Ako lang basahon. We want to thank you for sharing this special day with us. We begin our new life together. The memory of our wedding will last forever in our heart. Your warmth and wishes, love and support will always be cherished. With our deepest love and gratitude. Thank you sa tanan.
Sa mga gown rental po kay Ma'am Love Annie by Anna Lo Relasyon Orot. Sa flowers po lahat, so kay Ma'am Sam Flower Shop. At syempre yung food and venue po natin from Ponce de Leon through Ma'am Russell and Ma'am Pam. Sa cake po from Little Things Cafe, and sa invitation, souvenir and photo booth po, Scrappy by Azizel Husoy. Ayan po. Thank you so much po sa lahat at ingat po yung mga pauwi po for tonight.